Welcome back. In this business finance lecture, we'll go over study problem 7-5 in page 246 from the 8th edition of our textbook. Here's a view of the problem. This is a bond instrument with a $1,000 par value, 6% annual coupon rate, so the compounding is annual, and 10-year maturity. Given these, and knowing the fact that the bond is expected to give 8% return, it's currently selling for $1,060, we are first to calculate the original purchase price for the bond and then the 1 period holding period return for this bond. So I will, without any delay, I would like to first start from the first part of the problem. Number of periods is 10 years. The interest rate is 8%. That's the expected rate of return, obviously, at the time of purchase. And the purchase price is the question mark. The payments, the coupon payments, are 6% of $1,000 face value, so they should be $60. And the face value is $1,000. So we simply compute the present value in this case. That would automatically yield the purchase price of $865.80. So that would be the original purchase price. Now in the second part of the problem, we need to figure the 1 period holding period return for this investment. So there are multiple ways to approach this problem. One way would be again to use the third row of our financial calculator, because we are holding it for 1 year only, and would be 1. Holding period return is the question mark, so I'll just leave it blank. The present value, the initial purchase price in that case is $865.80, so we will input that from the previous step. The payments have not changed, and currently you are able to sell the bond at $1,060. Now, again, very important, because we are making a payment when we purchase the bond, we should not forget to put a minus sign for the present value, and the payment and future value will be both positive. And again, using our financial calculator, so we should compute the I over Y, and in that case I over Y will come out as 29.48%. So that's one way to solve the problem, obviously. And let me provide an alternative method as well. So this is another solution, second solution for part B. One can simply logically see what's going on. So let me draw the timeline. So that was last year, and this is this year now, or I should say now. So you have made a payment of $865.80, and in return, a year later, we received a coupon payment of $60. In addition, should we decide to sell the bond, it's currently selling at $1,060 in the marketplace. So no wonder it's possible to solve the problem simply using the holding period return formula. And in that case, that would be the final price minus the initial price, plus any additional income. In that case, we have a coupon payment during the final year, all divided by the initial investment. So looking from this point of view, we know that currently it is selling at $1,060. We need to subtract the initial price that we paid, in this case $865.80, divided by the initial price, $865.80. And in addition, I need to include the coupon yield of $60, and the denominator being the same. So this calculation should yield the same result as the previous case. So that's an alternative way to solve the same problem. So that should complete our solution, and we are done.